Hey Herb and Donna, this is Dimitri. How are you doing, dear friends? How is the church? We're enjoying God's grace and great weather. Very warm already, and we're looking forward to a blessed summer season of harvest for many local churches and for New Hope too. We're planning summer camps, and also we will initiate a program with New Hope for training team ministry leaders. Together with Evangelical Alliance now, this is what we think a priority for the local church, training and preparing the next generation of teen and youth ministry leaders. And this will begin in July in partnership with our friends from Romania. The New Hope office from Romania will have a team come over, and we have been inviting different leaders from churches in the country, and we will meet for the first time in Burgas. Also, I just made a trip to the Rhodope Mountains, meeting with pastors like Harry, Emo, and the missionaries in the Rhodope. And please pray for the possibility of having a short-term mission coming from the church, a good partner of ours from Florida, Bonita Springs. And we're now putting down a plan, an outline for a ministry that will take place in June or July, around 15 days of outreach with the local churches. And pray for that too. This is what we think a time that can be used for encouragement for the local churches and the missionaries in the Rhodope. We love you, and we thank you. Thank you for partnering with New Hope Bulgaria, and we want to send us our greetings and love. God bless. Dimitri.